Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today we will learn about CapCut application, and I would like to give you tips how you can export your video with 4K quality on the CapCut application. So you just need to open the CapCut application on your mobile phone, and then you just need to go click the new project and edit the video that you want to edit, or you can also choose the video that you already have here. Now if you want to get the 4K quality for your video to be exported, you just need to take a look on this top side here. There will be this option. So before you export it, make sure that you change the settings of the quality of the video. Go tap it, and there will be like the resolution area. You just need to drag this 1080p to 2K or 4K. Drag it into the right side. And now make sure that you also change the frame rate here so that your video will run smoothly. Make it 60. But you also need to consider that the highest the resolution and the frame rate also will be make the size of the video being the higher. So here if I change it into the 1080p, it's 36 megabyte, but then whenever I change it to 4K, you'll see the difference. It's already changed and increased to 90 megabyte. So that's also worth for the quality though. You just need to export it right away. So that is the way how you can like get those 4K quality video only with the CapCut. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.